If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Cafe Homes. I'm your interior architect Ananya Jovis, and today we're here with our designer Nikita, who has designed this beautiful home for two young couples and their parents. While rich unconventional patterns are the true essence of this home. Come with me while I take a stroll around this gorgeous house designed for our clients Mr. Irfan, Rizwan and their family, while Nikita shows us how she designed this house. The living room here is oozing of luxury and charm with this gorgeous color play and subtle elements of bling. Now there are also a few elements of traditional decor pieces added. Now Nikita, do tell us which was your most highlighting feature of this living room.
Sure. So after having a lot of discussion with the clients, we decided that we'll keep the colors of the living, kitchen and the dining area very soothing and subtle. But we also wanted to add a lot of liveliness to the house, which we did by adding colors in the upholstery, loose furniture and the decor pieces. So you can see the peacock blue sofa, which actually became the highlight of the whole house.
And I absolutely love this peacock blue sofa. Now, a kitchen is the most used portion of every home. To have a lot of accessible storage and a fully loaded kitchen is a must in every apartment these days. That's exactly what we have here in this beautiful parallel kitchen. Now, Nikita is going to show us more about the accessories she went ahead with in this particular kitchen.
As the parents stay with the family, we added a lot of top storages so they don't have to bend again and again for individual items. We also added glass lift-ups so that things are very handy while they are cooking in the kitchen. We added ledges on both sides of the kitchen so that they can keep the tea, coffee jars, the pickle bottles and the teacups very handy. We added different organizer spaces like the oil pullouts where they can keep all the masalas and the oil bottles and the jars in a very organized manner.
Yes, this is my favorite place. It's well said. Plant yourself the place you bloom. My favorite and a happy place is the swing. I spend my evening watching the pool view, the azure of water and the lush greenery.
This dining area is drop dead gorgeous with this beautiful chandelier and these trim framed mirror panels. Now, I do know that mirrors in dining area is Vastu compliant. But Nikita, was there more to it than just a design element to cover an entire wall with mirrors?
Yes, definitely. So when we came for the first KYC meeting to the site, that's when we realized that the dining space is very compact. With a huge crockery unit and a 6-seater dining table coming into picture, this will be very clumsy and the compact space. Right. That's where we decided that we'll have a huge mirror paneling on this wall. And we just didn't want to do a very plain paneling, so we did it with the wooden beadings finished in Duco paint.
Well, it is absolutely looking gorgeous and classy.
Yeah, so and also it suits to the theme of the room and it made the space look more spacious.
Well, here's a Moroccan themed room with pastel mints and a beautifully carved headboard, painting a pretty picture to sink into at the end of the day for Irfan and his wife. Now, from the floral wallpaper to the gold ceiling fan, everything is in absolute sync. So let's go ahead and ask Nikita what was her thoughts before designing this room.
Designing the master bedroom for this house was the most important and the interesting element. We took a theme of Moroccan designs, starting from the carved bed to the wallpaper, to the curtains, to the hanging pendant light, to the mirror of the dressing area. Everything was designed in a way that it fits into the Moroccan theme. Talking about the storages, all the wardrobes and the lofts were designed in a way that they have ample amount of storages, and internals of the wardrobes was also designed such that they have individual spaces for everything, be it their shirts, saris, shoes or handbags. beautiful rooms always have something to say about the people who live in them. This being the parents' bedroom, mother was very specific about the color theme and the decor what she wanted to use in her room. So we went for colors like berry bunch, and to balance that dark color we went for a rock painting high gloss laminate. Also, to maintain the theme of the whole house, we went for antique finish handles and the crystal chandeliers like the hanging lights and a very antique finish wall clock. When we talk with respect to the design, we designed the room in a way that all the spaces were very accessible and there was a proper walking space for the parents in the bedroom.
Walking into this bedroom instantly gives me a holiday in Greece or our very own Blue City, Jodhpur vibes. Now this room perfectly captures the distinct personality of Rizwan, who lives abroad and is mostly here for a month or so every year. Now Nikita can give us more details about the design elements of this room.
When I first spoke with Mr. Rizwan, he was very particular that he wanted his lifestyle to be depicted in this bedroom. As he stays in US, so I took up the Scandinavian theme for the bedroom with all the light wood colors and the white shutters along with white handles. One wall we designed in a very different color, which was the accent wall behind the bed with wall trims in the similar fashion. Also, as the couple only flew to India once in a year, they wanted a lot of clothes storage in a very organized manner. So we gave them all clothes storage along with this window seater. Below that also, where we had a lot of storage spaces.
For me, the highlight of this home are the gorgeous wall scones and the chandeliers that you see around. Hit like if you agree and do let me know which was your most favorite part of the home. Also, if you want to turn your home just as pretty as this one, don't forget to leave all your details using the form that is in the description box below. Until next time, see you all.